Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. Today I wanted to share with you my design team package from ASC Crafts. And of course, as always, I will link their Etsy shop and their .com shop in the description box, along with a discount code. So let me show you what I got. This month, it was mostly paper because I have a lot of, other supplies. So I have a lot of flowers right now. They have gorgeous flowers, but I do have a lot of flowers right now. So I don't want to, add to something that I have a lot of. So anyway, the first thing that I got were these leaves, and I really want to show you these leaves. They are so stinking adorable. Sometimes I need small leaves for, small clusters of flowers that I put on projects. And I don't remember how many you get in here, but look at that. Those are so pretty. Oh my gosh, here, I think that might be a little bit better. These are so pretty. So I ordered a couple of the leaves, and I'm gonna enjoy those. All right, so along with that, I did get the 3/8 inch score tape because this is about the size that I always use. So I went ahead and got 2 of those. And then I did get, look, I got this, guys. I didn't order this, but it was probably crystal. So yeah, that's gorgeous. It's rice paper, and I still don't have the courage to work with rice paper. They're gorgeous though, but I just may. I don't know. I say that, but I really don't know. So I did get the Mente Suntastic, the 6x6 paper pad. And I don't remember if I got the large one, but this is the 6x6 paper pad, and we'll do a quick flip through. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. But this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. Gorgeous door here. Oh man, that is so pretty. I love this page. I don't know what I'll make with it yet, but I'm sure I'll find something to make with it. Look at these. This is beautiful. Look at that. And then they repeat themselves. This is a beautiful paper pack. I'm gonna have to find something to make with it. So it has 24 double-sided 6x6 papers in it, or cardstock. This is so pretty. And of course, they always put their, they always put something that you can cut out on the covers. This is so pretty. So I got that. And then I did get this by Ciao Bella, the Collateral Rust. Someone asked me for a masculine mini album, and that is why I got this one. So I don't know what I'm gonna make for him, but I know I'm going to use this. This is so pretty. Let me show you this paper. So this is the first sheet. That is so cool. I love that. And then this is the back. Look at that, all the rust around the page. I just love that. And this is the next one. And the back of that. I just love all the rust on everything. Oh, that's a cool pattern. Oh, I really love this one though. Oh, I love that. And then all the bottle tops, bottle caps. Oh, look, how will I choose from these 2 sides? I love that. Guys, this is a beautiful collection. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. Oh, I love this brick wall. But I love the storefront as well. That is beautiful. And all the, the oil gauge or whatever it is that is. Oh, those, oh. This is such a beautiful collection. All the rusted signs. Oh man, I love that. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I love this. Man. Okay, guys. Well, this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous collection. Man. Okay, so this is Ciao Bella. It is called Collateral Rust, and it is beautiful, beautiful collection. And let me move it over here before I drop it. And this one, let me see, I probably have these upside down. So let me go to this one. This one is Blue Fern Studios, and it says Jane's Memories or Memoirs. Memoirs, I think it said. So this also is very pretty. You know how I love Blue Fern. So there's this collection. How pretty is that? Man, that is pretty. And look at the back of that. Isn't that gorgeous? Man, that is pretty paper. You know, their paper is so thick. Oh, how pretty. Their paper is so thick. I wish you guys could feel how thick it is. Oh, look at this page. Super vintagey, I think. Oh, I love this one. You have a beautiful lady right here. She'll have to be a star in one of the pages or projects that well, I don't know. There's a few. Emma here is gorgeous too, so. Pretty. My goodness. So glad I ordered this. Yes, I'm gonna have to make something vintage with this. All right, so that was the Blue Fern Studios, and Jane's Memoirs is the name of this one. And then I ordered Day by Day. And guys, as soon as I saw this one, I knew I'm going to make an album with it. But I know I can't get myself to cut these pages up because it's such a gorgeous collection. So this is Day by Day by Mente. And there's their cut apart page. And look at this, guys. See why I'm going to have a problem cutting these? So I'm going to make a 12 by 12 album. Maybe. I mean, I'm looking at the back. I'm like, well, how am I gonna, I don't know if I can, we'll see. We'll see about that 12 by 12 album. Look at this, how pretty. Just love the lights on the top. Pretty patterns on the back. Man, these are pretty. Oh, I love this crackle page. And they're beautiful roses. And there's a cut apart. So pretty. Yeah, this is one page. Oh, this is the back of the cut apart. And then look at this door. And I think, was this like the one? Yeah, it was like this one. So pretty. My goodness. Maybe they put in two of them because the back is just as pretty as the front. And look at this. Oh my gosh. I can see a layout with this page. And look at this. Oh, how pretty. And then I guess it repeats itself after that. And then the cut apart. Yep. Well, this is such a, I'll be, you know, trying to figure out how I can make a 12 by 12 with this one, because I don't want to cut the pages. They're gorgeous. And this one, you know, guys, green has never been one of my favorite colors. It's one of the lesser colors that I like. If you can say that, lesser colors. But I saw this one and I just thought it was so pretty. It's called Lady by Mente. And I mean, there's their cut apart page. Look how pretty this is. And like I said, green has never been one of my favorite colors. Oh, look at the back. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so pretty. But look at this page. Oh my goodness. And then this one with a vanity. So pretty. Oh, the one with the lace is gorgeous. And they're roses. And look at that. Colors are so rich. Oh, I love this page. The colors, and this is their cut apart. Wow, that's pretty. And the back of their cut apart. Beautiful, beautiful. And then, yeah, it repeats. So it looks like there's 2 of each page. Let's see if it says it right here. I wonder how much 240 GSM is. Okay, 12 double-sided printed sheets, and it's 2 sheets per collection. I mean, per design. Man, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Guys, thank you for watching. I really, really appreciate your support, your love, and I love you too. Hugs and more hugs to everyone. I will talk to everyone later, and y'all have a wonderful day.